Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. We are having a very big event today here, and it is the election day. It is the election day of the Kashmiri Pandits for this Kashmir Education, Cultural and Science Society. You just see that it is full of energy and full of exuberance and full of, it's full of enthusiasm, and we are very blessed to have with us today this Puran Patwari Sahab also, and will like to also, so you just see that he is going great, and we are having the other people also. And ladies and gentlemen, you just see that there are other people also. You just see that, ladies and gentlemen, there are Kashmiri Pandits, and then there is Sanjay, and then there is this Sanjay, Dolly is also there, Sumanji is also there, and then Mara आओ भारिया, हाँ कुर्सी अनाब, हाँ no कुर्सी. Now I am attracted to my big boss, fatherly figure, big brother, and Kundala Zuchi Sahab. I am blessed to see him after a long time today, sir. After around 10 years. It is going live, sir. It's going live. It's going live. This is the quality. Live broadcast across the world. Whatever is live broadcast, live telecast. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special occasion. There's a very special occasion that's going on now. This is the election of one of the most intelligent communities in the world, Kashmiri Pandits. That's why you just see that all people are standing here, all people are bearing, or they want to elect very strong people. It will be shown afterwards on my YouTube channel, Sanjay Kher. So what I'm trying to tell you, say, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, Shubh now. Oh, I am Kher Sahab. So great meeting you, sir. Please say some good words on today's occasion. What is your message? Give your message.
Kashmir Education, Culture and Science.
Ji sir.
Great job.
Good.
I am happy to see a lot of people are participating in the election.
Absolutely correct. Great, sir. Sir, we are privileged to have with us Mirza Sahab. We want to listen him. Also, Mirza Sahab, please, sir, give some blessings on this occasion. Give some blessings on this occasion. The democratic process is going on, important.
That is waiting for that. At my age, that I am waiting for that.
Oh, great! For our participation also, great, sir, great. And now we are having Zuchi Sahab also. Zuchi Sahab, what are your comments, sir, on this very important occasion? You have been here for the last 2 hours, enduring this pain, but then it's a sweet pain, perspiring also. I am seeing you. You are not sitting. I offered you this seat a couple of times, but still you are standing, sir, and perspiring and sweating. What are your feelings today, sir? Great, sir, great. Success for the new team, a very dynamic and a very energetic team. Whosoever comes, but they should come for the betterment and the welfare of the Kashmiri Pandit community who have endured 27 years of exile. That is what exactly the feelings and the heart of Zuchi Sahab is saying today. I feel that, sir, you definitely agree with it. So, 100%. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you. We want sir. We want to speak. Please, Mara, please speak something. He has been our ex-president of KSD. We are blessed that he is also standing here, ladies and gentlemen. Do you have blessings? How you are feeling today? What are your feelings today?
Very good, Mara. क्योंकि हार जीत तो अलग चीज़ है.
Very good.
कौन जीते कौन आ जाए, कम्युनिटी के बंदे उठे हैं.
Absolutely correct.
तो कम्युनिटी के बंदे में तो एक को आना ही आना है.
Absolutely correct.
अब इसमें कौन इस चीज़ को चलाने वाला है, वो तो जब टीम वर्क अच्छा होगा उसी हिसाब से प्रेसिडेंट, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट काम कर सकते हैं। तो जो एक्सरसाइज इस वक्त है, जो इस वक्त लाइन में है, हमारे ओल्ड एज के लोग यहाँ पर
स्टालवार्ट्स,
छोटे हमारे यंग है, हमारे जैसे डॉक्टर सब बैठे हैं, इनका ज़्यादा है, हमारा तो छोड़ दीजिए।
very good sir. At the same time, Rakesh Kolsap, we are having my brother-in-law is also here. You just see that Shami ji, a very entrepreneur and a very dynamic person for the last 27 years, ladies and gentlemen, in Kashmiri Pandit diaspora in Delhi and across India, world. We want to just have his feelings from his heart today also on this very important occasion. Speed up, it will definitely speed up, not a problem, because this is a Kashmiri Pandit cause today and it will definitely speed up and it will go. Just enjoy and just have the good feelings. So ladies and gentlemen, this, you just see that they are all enjoying and having a great fun. You just see that there are people. So she is also there. So ladies and gentlemen, just there are people who are so great. So that's great. Oh, that's very difficult. Oh, he is always that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no. He's always. हमारे रहना सब है राजा जी बान साहब. We are blessed to have him with us today, and he also wants to give blessings. His blessings. We want blessings on this very important occasion. But हमारा कैसा? वही मारा क्या है तुम्हें ब्लेसिंग नमस्कार तो मेरा पूरी क्या नाम है मेरा पूरन मुंशी साहब ही इज अ ग्रेट मैन एंड यू जस्ट सी दैट ग्रेट वही मारा तो कैसा वही मारा क्या नमस्कार इलेक्शन मतलब वही मारा कैसा वही मारा इलेक्शन मतलब चलो ठीक सर थैंक यू वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव दिस टाइम जी मदन जी our big and stalwart of Kashmiri Pandit community here now. So we want to have his comments also. Madan ji, Vanimara, please.
Very nice.
Blessings. How are the things going on, sir? So people have been standing here. What are your sir comments?
Good sign of the community.
Fair elections.
Silence and people are there. Absolutely correct. So exactly that Madanji Kaur is saying that the strong foundations that have been laid here for this society and center, it needs to be it needs to be at least, and he's in the blessings also and laid you see a very strong Jagannath Sahib also. खतर किसी हाथ पढ़ने okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's great, going beautiful. चले गए यार, सुमन जी के पीछे में था यार खड़ा यहाँ पर।